better to keep your feet straight, right?
Yeah.
A little bend.
Exactly. And your toes, if you press down with your toes, it gives you a lot more.
Jump off of it.
Jump! I'm not gonna do it.
Jump. So I can heal.
Your feet are gonna be killed if you jump.
I know, man. This is gold.
Jump.
Oh.
There's no way she's gonna get across the whole thing.
Buddy, you like that, bro?
Yeah.
Jump.
Miss Mines! Oh my god.
Turn around.
That was not nice.
She's shaking.
You better retire.
There's no way she's gonna make it across.
Thanks, Cameron.
No, I didn't mean that in a bad way.
Don't fall. You got
this, Miss Mines. You got
Zach's holding up a lot.
No way.
Run away, Zach. Run away.
I'm Miss Z to do it.
Yeah, Miss Z, go get on there.
Where's Flanagan?
You got this.
A couple more ropes.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you almost fought.
She gonna do it? No way.
I think 3.
Come on, Miss Mines. Intro running for college.
Yeah, why are you holding on to that, Mom?
Bam!
He's tight on mine's weird because you're on like a.
It's so sad that Miss Mines is retiring after this year. She's like a really good teacher. Yeah.
Nice guy, Adam.
Oh, here we go. We got Flanagan.
Oh, Miss Mines!
Yo, we got Flanagan, bro.
Your turn, Flanagan. Flanagan, you doing this?
Your turn.
Come
she's going
on!
back?
There's no way she's gonna go back.
Oh, man, I need to put them back.
No, I don't think I'm going to. I'm getting kind of tired.
Shaky.
Yeah.
Oh, nice effort, Miss Mines.